Hello children, welcome to SVGVM Learning Hub.
Today we are going to learn Class 4th English Chapter 1. Together we can.
This chapter teaches us teamwork, kindness, unity, and helping others. Let's work together on this project.
Okay, I'll help you with the reading. I'll dig the hole for the
So
tree.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more learning videos.
Let's learn and grow together with SVGVM Learning Hub.